Taj Mahal, an exquisite ivory-white marble mausoleum located in Agra, India, is an architectural masterpiece that captivates the hearts of millions of visitors from around the world. This awe-inspiring structure stands as a symbol of eternal love, a testament to the romantic devotion of an emperor to his beloved queen. Let's delve into the rich history, mesmerizing design, and enduring significance of the Taj Mahal. The history of Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal's history dates back to the 17th century when the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned its construction in memory of his favorite wife, Mumtaz Mahal. The construction began in 1632 and took over 2 decades to complete. The Taj Mahal was dedicated to immortalizing the love between the emperor and his late wife, making it an unparalleled monument of love. Architectural marvel, design and construction. Designed by the renowned architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori, the Taj Mahal showcases a harmonious blend of various architectural styles, including Persian, Islamic, and Indian influences. The use of white marble, intricate carvings, and geometric patterns adds to its breathtaking beauty. The ingenious construction techniques employed during that era make it an engineering marvel of its time. Symbol of love, the love story behind Taj Mahal. The story of the Taj Mahal's creation is steeped in romance and tragedy. The profound love shared between Emperor Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal is legendary. Understanding the depth of their affection provides a deeper appreciation of the monument's significance and magnificence. The Mughal Garden, Char Bagh. The Taj Mahal is set amidst a magnificent garden known as Char Bagh, symbolizing paradise in Islamic architecture. The meticulously planned garden with its serene water channels and lush greenery complements the grandeur of the mausoleum and offers a picturesque view. Intricate inlay work, Pietra Dura. One of the most remarkable features of the Taj Mahal is its intricate inlay work known as Pietra Dura. Skilled artisans adorned the marble surface with precious and semi-precious gemstones, creating mesmerizing floral and geometric patterns that reflect light with unmatched brilliance. Preservation efforts and challenges. As a cherished World Heritage Site, the Taj Mahal requires constant preservation efforts to protect it from the effects of time and environmental factors. This covers the challenges faced in maintaining this architectural treasure and the measures taken to ensure its long-term survival. A guide for travelers. For travelers planning to visit the Taj Mahal, this section provides essential information, tips, and guidelines to make the most of their experience. From the best times to visit to the intricacies of ticketing and entry, everything is covered to ensure a memorable trip. The beauty of sunrise and sunset at Taj Mahal. Witnessing the Taj Mahal during sunrise and sunset is an unparalleled experience. The changing colors of the marble as the sun rises or sets add a mystical aura to the already enchanting monument. Taj Mahal, an inspiration for art and literature. The beauty and grandeur of the Taj Mahal have inspired countless artists, poets, and writers throughout history. Explore its influence on various forms of art and literature, both in India and around the world. Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 1983, the Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its exceptional cultural and historical significance. Discover the criteria that led to this prestigious recognition and its impact on the preservation of the monument. Beyond Taj Mahal, other Mughal architectural wonders. While the Taj Mahal shines as the crown jewel of Mughal architecture, there are several other magnificent structures from the Mughal era worth exploring. Uncover the splendor of other architectural wonders that stand as a testament to the Mughal dynasty's grandeur. Fun facts about Taj Mahal. Delight in some lesser-known but fascinating facts about the Taj Mahal. From optical illusions to hidden inscriptions, the monument holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. The Taj Mahal stands tall as an immortal symbol of love, architectural brilliance, and cultural heritage. Its beauty and significance continue to captivate the world, drawing travelers, scholars, and lovers alike to marvel at this extraordinary masterpiece.